Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make Povidone Iodine solution. First, gather your materials. You'll need a 10% Povidone Iodine solution, clean water, and a sterile container for mixing. It's crucial to use distilled or sterile water to prevent contamination and ensure the solution's effectiveness. Having everything ready before you start makes the process smooth and safe. Let's get started with the simple steps. Achieving the correct dilution is key for safe and effective use. For a standard 1% Povidone iodine solution, you'll mix 1 part of your 10% Povidone iodine with 9 parts of water. If you need a weaker 0.5% solution, combine 1 part of the 10% Povidone iodine with 19 parts of water. Always measure carefully to ensure the right concentration for your intended purpose. Once you have your measured ingredients, gently mix them together. Stir or swirl the container until the solution has a consistent, uniform color, indicating proper blending. It's very important to label your container clearly with the solution's concentration and the date it was prepared. Store your freshly made Povidone iodine solution in a cool, dark place to maintain its stability and effectiveness over time. Always use your Povidone iodine solution as directed for its specific purpose, like preparing skin before a procedure or cleaning minor wounds. For optimal effectiveness and safety, it's best to discard any unused solution after 28 days, as its potency can decrease over time. Remember to check the description below for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals to help keep your home spotless.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.